Hello dear student, how are you? After completing volume first means physical and inorganic chemistry. Now I am going to discuss about organic chemistry. And first chapter of organic chemistry is haloalkane and haloarene. It is very important chapter. Why? Because of this chapter is as a skeleton for the remaining organic chemistry. All the fundamentals and conceptual points are present in this chapter. That's why it is very important chapter. Haloalkane and haloarenes. Clear? तो आइए सबसे पहले डिस्कस करते हैं अबाउट haloalkane. Dear student, haloalkanes are halogen derivative of alkanes. Means when alkane used to perform substitution reaction with halogen, then the substitute product which used to form during the substitution reaction are considered as haloalkanes. That's why these are known as halogen derivative of alkanes. For example, as CH3Br, CH3, CH2Cl. Its name is, bromomethane. And this one is chloroethane. Ultimately, we can declare that their general formula is RX. It is said to be the general formula of haloalkanes, and its common name, their common name is alkyl halide, and their IUPAC name haloalkane. Haloalkanes. Okay, and these are the proofs of this concept. Clear? Now I am going to explain about types of haloalkanes. Basically about the types of haloalkanes. Haloalkane types, their first division is based on the basis of number of halogen atoms. Halogen atom के number के आधार पर how many halogen atoms are present. On the basis of this concept, all the haloalkanes are divided in following parts. First, mono haloalkanes. Dear student, mono haloalkanes means those haloalkanes which have only one halogen atom, जिनमें केवल एक ही halogen atom पाया जाता है. Such haloalkanes are said to be mono haloalkanes. For example, as CH3Cl, CH3, CH2Br, and so on. You can notice in these haloalkanes, only one halogen atom is present. Okay. Second part, dihaloalkanes. Dihaloalkanes means all those alkanes which have two halogen atoms. जिनमें दो halogen atom पाए जाते हैं, those are considered to be dihaloalkanes. Okay. For example, those haloalkanes which contain two halogen atoms are considered to be dihaloalkanes, and these are further divided in two parts. These two parts इसको पुनः दो पार्ट में डिवाइड किया गया। पहला पार्ट है जैम डाई हैलाइड। दिस इज द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ डाई हैलाइड। जैम डाई हैलाइड मीन्स those haloalkanes in which both the halogen atoms are present with same carbon atom. For example, as CH3 CH Cl2। आप यहां देख सकते हैं ये दोनों Cl एटम एक ही कार्बन पर अटैच है, 1 2, and its name will be 1,1 dichloromethane, 1,1 dichloromethane। And next B part, second part of this one, weak dihalides। Weak dihalide means those dihaloalkane in which both the halogen atoms are present in different carbon atom. Okay, for example, you can see CH2Cl single bond, CH2Cl, you can put numbering 1 2, and its IUPAC name 1,2 dichloroethane। Okay, so it is considered to be, these are the two parts of dear student, these are the two parts of dihaloalkane। Now about trihaloalkane, especially next part, trihaloalkane। Third part, trihaloalkanes। In these haloalkanes, 3 halogen atoms are present। For example, H CH Cl3 trichloromethane। Dear student, it is also known as chloroform, it is common name chloroform। Okay, this is the common name। And last one is tetrahaloalkanes। Dear student, tetrahaloalkane means those haloalkane in which 4 halogen atoms are present are known as tetrahaloalkanes। For example, H CCl4 means tetrachloromethane, it is said to be tetrachloromethane। It is also known as its common name carbon tetrachloride, or it is also known as pyrene। इसका एक नाम और होता है pyrene। What do you mean by this? Why it is said to be pyrene? Pyrene means it also works as a fire extinguisher, that's why it is said to be pyrene। Okay, ultimately on the basis of the number of halogen atoms, all the haloalkanes divided in 4 parts: monohaloalkane, dihaloalkane, डाई के दोनों पार्ट, ट्राइहैलोअल्केन एज वेल एज टेट्राहैलोअल्केन्स। क्लियर? नाउ I will discuss about the types of monohaloalkanes। Okay, about monohaloalkane। Types of monohaloalkanes। Dear student, monohaloalkane further divided in 3 parts. First part is primary alkyl halides, or these are also known as 1 degree alkyl halides. Dear student, these are 1 degree alkyl halide. Clear? It means 1 degree alkyl halide means what to mean by the degree of carbon atom. Degree of carbon atom means ये satisfy करना होता है कि वो कार्बन की कितनी valencies अदर कार्बन एटम से satisfy हो. If one carbon atom only one valency of carbon atom satisfy the other carbon atom, then it is said to be primary. 1 degree. 2 कार्बन एटम से वैलेंसी सेटिस्फाई हो रहे हैं अलग अलग 2 डिग्री, 3 कार्बन एटम से 3 डिग्री. ओके, बाय द सेम वे इट्स जनरल फार्मूला इज CH2X. And here you know this is the X halogen atom and its degree is 1 because one valency of this carbon satisfy with other carbon. So this is the primary alkyl halide. H R की जगह CH3 या कोई अदर एल्काइल लिख सकते हैं. क्लियर? दिस इज 1 डिग्री एल्काइल हैलाइड. नेम इज गिवन एथाइल क्लोराइड. 1 डिग्री. अनदर एग्जांपल CH3 CH2 CH2 Br. स्टिल इट हैज 1 डिग्री. भले यहाँ पे बहुत सारे कार्बन है लेकिन इसकी 1 वैलेंसी तो इस कार्बन से अटैच है. डायरेक्टली 1 कार्बन एटम से ही तो अटैच है. So it is considered to be primary alkyl halide. Second part, secondary alkyl halide. Secondary alkyl halide, or we can say 2 degree alkyl halides. Dear student, in these alkyl halides, the halogen atom attached with 2 degree carbon atom, and its general formula R 2 degree. This is considered to be 2 degree alkyl halide. Okay, H. Both the alkyl may be same or different. CH, 2 degree, and its common name will be isopropyl chloride. Its name will be isopropyl chloride. Impact name 1 2 3 2 chloromethylpropane. But common name क्योंकि सेकेंडरी जो होता है उसमें आइसो वर्ड अटैच हो जाता है. काउंट ऑल द कार्बन एटम अटैच आइसो एज ए प्रीफिक्स. क्लियर? एंड नेक्स्ट अबाउट 3 डिग्री कार्बन एटम मीन्स 3 degree alkyl halide, or simply we can say tertiary alkyl halide. C part, tertiary alkyl halides. What do you mean by the tertiary alkyl halides, or simply we can also remark a 3 degree alkyl halides. These are also considered as a 3 degree alkyl halide. In these alkyl halide, halogen atom attached with 3 degree carbon atom. Okay, and its general formula R CX. Degree is 3. Okay, it is considered to be the tertiary alkyl halide. H CH3 CH3. These alkyl may be same or different. C 3 degree. Common name is tertiary 1 2 3 4 tertiary butyl chloride. Okay, it is the common name. Suppose if there is a requirement of its IUPAC name, you can simply write it as it. इसको ऐसे भी बेटा लिख सकते हैं Cl CH3 CH3. It is also written like this, and 1 2 3. Its IUPAC name will be 2-chloro 2-methyl and 1 2 3 propane. 2-chloro 2-methyl propane. Clear? These are the types of haloalkanes. Now I want to discuss some of the unsaturated alkyl halide. unsaturated alkyl halide. Unsaturated alkyl halides. Unsaturated alkyl halide means those alkyl halides in which the presence of pi bond is necessary are considered to be unsaturated alkyl halide. And in these alkyl halide, first part about vinyl halide. Vinyl halide, you know. Dear student, in these alkyl halide, in these unsaturated alkyl halide, halogen atom directly attached with sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Or we can also declare that in these alkyl halide, halogen attached with double bonded carbon atom. And its general formula CH2 double bond CH EX. And its hybridization is sp2 as CH2 double bond CHCl. And its name is given as vinyl chloride. Okay, this is the first part of unsaturated alkyl halide. And second one is allyl halides. But in this alkyl halide, the halogen atom attached with sp3 hybridized carbon, and that carbon further attached with sp2 hybridized. यानी जिससे हाइड्रोजन अटैच होगा उस कार्बन का हाइब्रिडाइजेशन sp3 होगा और फिर दैट कार्बन फर्दर अटैच विद sp2 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन. ओके, एंड इट्स जनरल फार्मूला CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2. Yes, its hybridization is sp3 and its hybridization is sp2. ये हाइड्रोजन जिससे अटैच है उस कार्बन का हाइब्रिडाइजेशन sp3 है और ये कार्बन फर्दर किससे अटैच है, इस कार्बन से. और आपको बेटा मालूम है यदि कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड से अटैच है तो उसका हाइब्रिडाइजेशन sp2 होगा, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड से अटैच है तो sp होगा और सिंगल बॉन्ड से अटैच है तो sp3 होगा. ओके, एंड CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2 Cl and its name is allyl chloride. ओके, इस वीडियो लेक्चर में मैंने टाइप्स ऑफ हेलोल्केन क्या होते हैं और टाइप्स ऑफ हेलोल्केन आई हैव डिस्कस.